Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
This is the platform which takes us, which takes Indian cinema across the shores. This is the platform which showcases India abroad at various festivals, shows the creativity and excellence of our budding directors, reflects the balance between the old and the new, the old style and the contemporary style, and the budding artists and the budding directors. I'm extremely proud to present, as the jury members mentioned a few moments ago, the bouquet that has been offered. As far as DFF is concerned, we have the role of a facilitator. It is left to the esteemed jury members of both the feature and the non-feature section to do the honors.
And Kicha Sudeep was the chief guest, and very, very happy about that for having given opportunity to become the chief guest from the Karnataka. It has happened first time in the history of Iffi, I believe, after 1992 when Dr. Rajkumar has been inaugurated. That time there was a clash regarding water issue, Kaveri issue. After a gap of 30 years, Sudeep has inaugurated function on behalf of Kannada film industry, on behalf of Karnataka, more than 6 crore people. And personally, I'll wish to the Iffi 51 entire management for giving an opportunity for Kannada artists to inaugurate the function.